What's up? What's going on, brother? Let's eat some ramen. Yeah, nah, nah, nah. This ain't ramen. This is fresh Japanese style udon or udon. Who the don? You the don. Huh? With this udon, let's go ahead and crack it open. So we got what this say? Liquid soup. We got I don't know, some type of seasoning flakes, dried flake sachet. There's some flakes in there. They look like some vacuum sealed Japanese style whatever that says. The noodles, liquid soup into the bowl. And then put the flakes and the bonito. All right, we got our noodle. And then we gonna add some liquid soup. I don't know what's in this liquid soup. We gonna fill up with cold water to the line. Appreciate y'all for watching, my G. Big time, Cass. Big time. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Got the water for your daughter. Fresh out the microwave for 6 minutes, my boy. It's some yumminers, bro. The vegetables. That's how you know it's healthy. And gluten free, like that energy drink my wife be making me have. All that. No more monsters for you, brother. No more monsters. No more locked doors, you see? You know what I'm saying? I would add like maybe a steak or something to this. Taste test, brother. Do I wish it was ramen? Yes. But it still hits. And since I don't get paid till tonight, and I'm lazy, because I don't want to leave the house again. This is dinner. Whew. That boy is hot, guys. Yeah, that was definitely a 6. I will not buy that again. Real udon is probably where it's at. Peace.